Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can add a video in Capcut. Let's get to it. Open your Capcut app on your phone. Then you have to click on new project right here. Just click on the new project. Then choose the video that you want to import to Capcut and wait for a moment. And I'll go with this video. Just click on the video, then you have to click on add right here, and wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Alright, and if you want to add a new video to this project, we can click on this plus button right here. Click on it and choose the video that you want to add to your project, and I'll go with this video. Just click on the video. This one, and we can click on add right here on the bottom right corner of your screen. And alright, this is the video that I have just added to our project. And that's how we can add a video in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.